This one, yeah.
You know, you got your pink shirt. I thought, oh, I've got one that's close enough to pink. I thought I'd bring that for Thursday night. Close enough to pink. Right? Well, mine isn't as pink as that. Burnt orange more.
Tuscan sunset.
Yeah.
I got my boy a pink towel, it was fucking nice as well.
Tuscan sunset.
That's all.
You know if police seen you with that now, right? Down here. I know what we're doing.
No, you won't get done for that.
I reckon you would.
You won't.
Look at him.
You won't.
He looks like a fucking psychopath.
What do you mean I look?
Careful, he's got a knife in his hand.
Yeah, choose your words carefully.
What do you mean I look like a psychopath?
Passes a Grim Reaper.
You won't get done for that anyway. As long as it's in the boot of your car and you've got other vegetation equipment in it, you won't get done for it. If he was on his own then, obviously, if he was in his glove box, which he probably is with him, it would, like. Isn't it?
It's like how under this. That's not sharp enough yet.
Put your
I
tongue.
need to drop
Like
something
that.
on there.
You know if you're sharp then.
Playing Jenga.
Feel it with your tongue and go like that.
I did that with a stapler once.